T2 TSC sagittal. Plan the sagittal slices on the axial plane and align the positioning block parallel to the linea alba and median sacral crest. Verify the positioning block in the other two planes. In the coronal plane, ensure an appropriate angle that parallels the lumbosacral spine. Ensure that the slices cover the entire pelvic mass, ranging from the right acetabulum to the left acetabulum. The field of view, FOV, should be sufficiently large to encompass the fibroids, typically ranging from 270 millimeters to 300 millimeters. To minimize artifacts caused by arterial pulsation, peristalsis in breathing, consider adding saturation bands on top and in front of the sagittal block. Ensure an adequate level of phase oversampling to prevent any wraparound artifacts. Due to the increased signal-to-noise ratio, SNR, in new generation scanners, motion artifacts can be
T2 stir coronal. Plan the large field of view FOV coronal slices on the sagittal plane and position the block parallel to the lumbar spine. Verify the positioning block in the other two planes as well. Establish an appropriate angle in the axial plane, which runs parallel to the right and left hip joint. The slices should adequately cover the entire abdomen and pelvis, extending from the anterior abdominal wall to the sacrum. The FOV must be large enough to encompass the abdomen and pelvis, typically ranging from 380 millimeters to 400 millimeters. Large FOV scans are usually performed to evaluate the local spread of the pathology.
T2 TSE axial 3 mm SFOV pelvis. Plan the axial slices on the sagittal plane and position the block horizontally across the pelvis. Verify the positioning block in the other two planes. Determine an appropriate angle in the coronal plane that is parallel to the right and left hip. Ensure that the slices adequately cover the entire mass. Consider using a slice thickness of 4 if the mass is large. To minimize artifacts caused by arterial pulsation and breathing, consider adding saturation bands on top and in front of the axial block. In modern scanners, the anterior-posterior phase direction can result in noticeable motion artifacts. This is due to